Hello friends, in this video today we are going to see some calligraphy techniques which are basic to know how to do calligraphy. So let's start. So for calligraphy always remember some techniques which are given below, and if you are a beginner then don't worry, just follow the steps or techniques and keep practicing every day. Then definitely you will see some changes in your font. So just moving towards the first technique. The first one is thick strokes which are downward side. When you are write any letter and the line is going to start from upside to down, then give thick stroke for that line or write with heavy pressure. And the second one is thin strokes are upside. That means when you write any letter and the line is going to start from downside to up, then give thin stroke for that line or write with light pressure. It is totally opposite from the first one. So here I am writing this in detail. Up strokes are thin and use light pressure. Second, down strokes are thick. Use heavy pressure. Now you have to see direction of writing. This is upside, this is downside. Upside we use light pressure and downside we use heavy pressure. As well as the same above steps we will follow for overturn and underturn containing letters. In this also upside are thin or with light pressure and these downward side are written with heavy pressure. Now, following all are depends on the same techniques. In short, any letter you write, always remember upside lines are right with light pressure and downward side lines are right with heavy pressure. Only follow these two steps for writing any letter. So friends, if you like these tricks or techniques, then like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.